Is your Nissan Pathfinder screen going black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Let's fix it fast. Statistically, most of these screen blackouts are just minor communication glitches between your phone and the head unit. First, we need to perform a hard reset on your infotainment system. Follow these 3 steps to force the navigation unit to refresh its connection protocol. Cheap or damaged cables are a leading cause of intermittent black screens in Pathfinders. If the hardware is fine, double-check that your iPhone settings are not blocking the connection. Try these DIY steps first before paying for a dealer diagnostic fee. As you can see, a simple cable change solves the vast majority of black screen issues. If you are still stuck, check the fuse box or perform a factory reset of the infotainment. Always prioritize safety and never attempt these adjustments while the vehicle is in motion. Remember that intermittent issues are usually related to a loose connection at the port. If these steps didn't clear your screen, it might be time to visit the dealer for a firmware update.